This is Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for October 9th, 2019. Corn market down 1.5 today. Beans up 2 to 3 1/4. Chicago wheat steady to down 1. Minneapolis wheat down 1 3/4. Kansas City up 3 cents. Really a day of back and forth, but at the end of it here, you're looking to a lot of information that's coming out both Thursday, Friday, and yet ahead. When you look to weather conditions, obviously North Dakota, South Dakota, parts of western Minnesota staring down a major winter storm and rainmaker. You've got the Chinese delegation here in the U.S. That's going to create some uncertainty for Thursday, Friday. China seems to be coming over with hopes of a partial deal. President Trump seems to be indicating he wants all or nothing. So that tone is going to be very interesting to see how it does shake out here over the next couple days. And then the last part is obviously a WASDE report. Most of the marketplace average analyst estimates forecasting a lesser yield and lesser carryouts, especially for the corn and soybean markets. Those stocks numbers will have to flow through there from the end of September, so we do know that's at least a start point for the lower carryout, but lower yields and questionable demand is really going to be the gamut or ticket that's going to set the direction for this. So obviously we're on some very good rallies here. As you look to the corn and bean markets, nearly 40 cents, over 40 cents in corn, over 70 in beans, and really just setting the tone for what-if scenarios. So as we break down, we just think some risk management needs to occur here. We've got some reasonable prices around, some very good carries yet in these markets, so just need to be attentive to the risk. When you look to the fundamentals, they do look a little bit more positive with some of these dynamics around and some dryness in South America, but doing some marketing along the way is important. So as you recall here, corn marketing points have been at 392, 404, and then at 429, so we're smack dab in between the 392 to 404. Over in beans, we've got right now 927, which we hit today. We fell back underneath that, so a little bit of weaker close than what we saw this morning, but then 952 the next one, and then $10 as a third price count. So we're kind of zoning at that 927 to 952 to pick up some marketing. We did increase our percentages today for soybeans. Give us a call if you want some ideas as to how to do that. Feeder cattle today up $2.30 to $3. Live cattle up 30 to 75. Hog market up $1 to 207.5. Very good performance there, some weather premium being built in to some degree, but overall you've got markets that are on the verge of breakouts here, especially in the feeder cattle, live cattle market. We'll see if we can't put that together. The next December live cattle counts right around the 115 mark. Over in the hog market, we held support, and we're now testing the 200-day moving average again, and we'll see what we can do to that. But China really going to be a big focal point here as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter of Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.